Ronsley Garden has a new plasdan, palaisdaan, tilapia. So one day, if you want to order a tilapia when they're ready, you can. All the customers in here. Yeah. Thank you. This is Ronsley Garden. And I got 45 days chicken. Bancrest. Here. We're breeding them as well, so that everybody happy. And if you want to order some here, you can order and then we cook it for you. And this is the native one, native chicken. They're more nicer. All chickens. This is the chickens. You can order some in here. All the customers of Ronsley Garden, if they want some. And this one, this is the Texas. We're breeding them. Hopefully one day they will gonna lay eggs and we can breed them too. This is the new era of Ronsley Garden Resort. We're expanding for new adventures of chickens, different varieties of chickens. Chickens, 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 and chicken. Texas. We got 4 small ones. Okay, thank you. Bye.